Hello friends, in this video you will see the stages in which a phone is repaired. Today we have chosen for you a Realme C33 phone. After examining the device, it was found that it is not charging. As usual, the first step is to remove the battery cover, and the method differs according to the type of phone. After removing the frame mounting screws, we remove it and disconnect the power button. Then we remove the speaker cover. Then we disconnect the charging connector and the network antenna cable. Then we examine the charging housing and it appears that it is damaged and cannot be repaired and must be replaced. Now we install the new charging connector, reconnect it to the network antenna cable, connector cable, and power button cable, reinstall the frame, and connect the charger to ensure that the phone is charging.